0-calorie foods for weight loss. What does that even mean? Do I have to eat salad every day? Absolutely not. So what makes the food 0 calories? The theory of 0-calorie food is that the body will burn more calories metabolizing and cooking the food than the calories the food contains. This is a process called thermogenesis, and it's how your body heats itself up. So it doesn't mean that the food literally contains 0 calories. It does contain some calories, but the body will burn off more calories eating and digesting the food than the food itself contains. Cool, isn't it? So make sure you add more of these foods to your diet any chance you get. They will keep you away from calories and still fill you up. So what's going on, folks? Welcome to Healthy Universe, and here are 10 0-calorie foods that can help you to lose weight. Number 1, apples. I can't tell you how much I love apples. Apples are the bomb. If there's an apple around, you can be sure I'm going to ask if I can eat it. Apples are one of the healthiest fruits on the planet due to its antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. It even contains pectin, which has been shown to squash that annoying appetite that makes you want to eat 24/7. Another huge benefit of apple is that apple contains a ton of fiber, so if you aren't feeling regular in that area, apples can give your body the push that it needs. Number 2 is broccoli. This might have been my most hated food when I was growing up. I couldn't stand broccoli until one day my mom decided to be nice to me and put some cheese on the broccoli. She would go like, "Would you like some broccoli with your cheese, honey?" And I'll be like, "Yes, mom, please." Broccoli is labeled as a superfood. I'm not a big fan of that term, but it certainly applies to broccoli. Broccoli can help you lower the risk of cancer, raise your vitamin D, C, and K levels, provide you with the healthy fiber that you need, and if protein is your thing, it even contains a small amount of that. But wait, folks, that's not all. Broccoli also performs these miracles. Number 1, they lowers your inflammation and then helps you to relieve stress, and last but not least, detoxifies the body. With all of these benefits, it definitely deserves the label of superfood. Number 3, lettuce. Literally, if you eat lettuce raw, you will burn more calories digesting than what you actually consume. You can do the math. Lettuce by itself is a nice supply of B vitamins and nutrients. Choose a different color of lettuce to get different taste. And I have a little rule of thumb for you, which is the darker the lettuce, the better it is for you. Lettuce is a staple in our diet. We usually have salads with a few meals a day to make sure we are getting enough vegetables. A key to eating lettuce is not wasting its low calories by drenching it in heavy cream salad dressing. So I suggest you to use a low-fat, low-calorie, oil-based dressing instead. Number 4 is watermelon. When it's watermelon season, watch out, folks, because I'm buying up all the watermelons at the store. I can't think of a better snack to enjoy on a hot summer day besides watermelons. What I love about watermelon is that it does such a great job of filling you up due to the amount of water it contains. It is also packed with antioxidants. However, you don't want to go too crazy with it. Eating 3 watermelons in a single day isn't going to help you at all. In fact, it can do a bit of harm in your weight loss journey. Cut it up and treat it like any other small snacks that you partake in. Number 5 is cucumber. The only time I really eat cucumbers is on a salad. Other than that, I never think about them. Hear me out, folks. I don't have anything against them. It's just that they aren't at the top or bottom of my list of foods to eat. They are great for your body because they contain polyphenols that reduce the rates of cancer, which is always good, and can help manage stress levels, which is definitely good. If vitamins are your thing, then you will be happy to know that cucumbers contains multiple B vitamins, B1, B5, B7, and biotin. Also, because cucumbers consist primarily of water and fiber, they are great for your digestive system. If you want to enjoy them in things other than salads, then the other fantastic way to enjoy them is by making wonderful cucumber water. Yum! Number 6. Asparagus. My wife loves asparagus so much. I don't mind it. I don't go hunting for it, but if it's going to be paired with a nice steak, then who am I to complain? Asparagus contains high amounts of vitamin K, folate, copper. Yes, copper in small amounts is good. Don't go eating bars of it though. And then fiber and vitamin B1. One of the best ways to prepare asparagus is by grilling it. Number 6 is cabbage. Another very low-calorie vegetable is cabbage. Cabbage is packed with vitamins, minerals, fibers, and several other nutrients to fight cancers. Who knew that so many vegetables would also have the health benefits? Not on the top of our list of favorite vegetables, but it's great in soups, in the crock pot, stews, and salads. Now we are number 7 on our 0-calorie foods. Number 7 is cauliflower. Like other veggies, cauliflower is packed with cancer-fighting nutrients and contains a great supply of water-soluble vitamins. Cauliflower is like a brother or sister to the broccoli, which make it just as much as a cancer-fighting superfood. Cauliflower usually gets to our dinner table as a broccoli and cauliflower salad. Also, very good steamed and mashed, like potatoes with a little milk, salt, and pepper. Thank you for the recipe, Grandma. Number 8. Lemons and limes. Citrus fruits are loaded with antioxidants and they are an excellent supply of fiber and vitamins. They have also been shown to have the effect of curbing your appetite. We love adding a splash of lemon to zest up our recipes. Often tart and typically sweet citrus flavors will add a punch of flavor with very few extra calories. Throw some lemon wedges in your water too. Number 9 is tea. I know you wouldn't believe it, folks, but tea makes it to our list of 0-calorie food as well. With black, green, and white teas, enjoy them hot or cold. A true tea is high in polyphenols, an inhibitor that protects cells from cancer and a variety of diseases. Tea also boosts your brain power, keeps you skinny, and helps you sleep better. I have a good tips for you folks. Sip on some hot green tea when you have a late night craving. I also use sipping of tea as a mechanism to keep me busy while watching TV. Finally folks, we are coming up to the final of our 0-calorie food. Number 10 is coffee. When I'm talking about coffee, I don't mean your Starbucks cafe latte or cafe mocha. I'm talking about real, bold, black coffee. Black coffee is amongst the lowest calorie drink decision around, and it's an excellent weight loss trick. Black coffee alters your level of hunger for 0 calories, on top of providing you a great energy boost in the morning. Plus, the caffeine can speed up your metabolism and fat burning throughout your entire body. It can be very hard to start drinking coffee black, but give it a shot. Start to wean off the creamer and sugar, and in no time, you will enjoy yourself a great healthy drink with many benefits. So folks, the bottom line is, cutting back on calories doesn't mean you have to constantly feel hungry or unsatisfied between meals. Eating a wide variety of filling foods with plenty of protein and fiber can fight cravings and decrease hunger to make weight loss easier than ever. Paired with an active lifestyle and well-rounded diet, these low-calorie foods can keep you feeling satisfied throughout the day. Got a burning fat or health question? Just ask in the comment section below. So smack that like button with a lettuce. And make sure you subscribe to the Healthy Universe channel for weekly tips and tricks.